What's up? What's up, y'all? This your girl Go Mouth. Scooby just wanted me to show you guys that he was making cookies. I hope my screen ain't blurry. Every time I get on my screen blurry. It's on blurry. Okay. Scooby wanted me to show you guys he was making cookies. So here is Scooby baking cookies. Okay. You turn the camera around, y'all. Think you got enough to get two more? Okay. Here's Scooby baking chocolate chip cookies. What kind you baking, Scoob?
Chocolate chip. Yeah. Betty chocolate.
Who?
Betty chocolate. Wait, that's her name? I don't know.
Betty Crocker.
Oh, I can't read curse.
Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. That's what he's making this morning. This morning, y'all. It's about what time it is? It's 9:22 in the morning. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 9:22 in the morning. He got two more left. I didn't know he wanted me to record him until he said something later on. So we just mixed it with, what, a tablespoon of water. What else was it, Scoop?
Butter and some egg. Butter and one egg.
One stick of butter and one egg. And we stirred it up and made it. You got all of it out of there?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything gone. So he already made a dozen. So this the second dozen. Okay, go ahead. So he gonna put those in the oven. Oh, it's hot. Use the oven mitt. Use the Scooby. This shouldn't be hot.
Yeah, I already knew.
It ain't hot.
I ain't tested my luck.
Okay, he gonna.
I feel it, yes.
You feel? Okay. So he gonna put those in the oven. And how long? 10 minutes. 11 minutes. I think we did the other like 12 minutes. Do like 12. Just to see. We're going to check them before then, okay?
Okay.
All right, so here's Scooby. Look at everybody. They ain't seen you in a while. Tell everybody, oh, Scooby just had a birthday. Tell everybody how old you turned. It was this month.
19.
Scooby turned 19 years old, y'all, on January 2nd. Okay. Scooby's still in school. They got the virtual school going on, but it's not working good for him, so they're gonna update his IEP today, and he's gonna be having a packet sent home so he can do his schooling on paper because the virtual school was not working for him. So we're gonna be getting packets soon. Okay, so Scooby's gonna wash the dishes, ain't you? Sure is. Scooby's gonna wash these dishes in here, y'all. Yeah, you guessed. You finna wash these dishes, baby. Oh, he already had baked the dozen cookies right here, y'all. So this how his first batch came out. And they ended up with 12. And that's how they look right there. You gonna wash the dishes? I know you know how to wash dishes, but we recording you today, so you get your own video. No. You fine with that? Yeah. Okay. He said he fine with that, so we'll record him later. Okay. Scooby just ran the dishwater and he walked away. Where did Scooby go? I'm not supposed to be in the kitchen. I'm invisible. We gonna overflow the tank? I don't know if he's coming back, y'all. Oh, he had to go to the bathroom. Y'all. Okay, the water done. Okay, this is what Scooby cookies looking like so far. We got like a minute and 30 seconds left, so we're gonna see how that works. I'll fast forward it. Then you watching dishes in fast motion. Why you put that bowl on the counter? What is this right? You gonna do a cookie mukbang? I think we have to eat all the cookies. What chicken? What? Let it soak then. Let it soak. Put some of this water in it and sit it over there. Yeah, sit it over there and let it soak. Okay. What? Cookies? Let's get the other cookie out. Hold on. All right, here's a new batch of cookies. So we did get 2 dozen. The pack said it made 2 dozen. So That's what we got. Chocolate chip cookies. I feel like we need some more chocolate on these, don't it, Scooby? No? Like it's missing some on top?
There's chocolate inside of them. That's why they call chocolate chip cookies.
I know that. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to be extra and put some decorations on top. They look so plain.
That's how they supposed to look.
These almost look like those Keep Blue chocolate chip cookies. These gonna be soft.
Yeah, them gonna be like the other one, right?
Nah, we kind of messed up the other ones a little bit.
They ain't gonna be
We
soft.
still gonna eat them though. You gotta let these cool.
Yeah. That's what we should do. Them right there, but it's too late now.
I was trying to cut your hair, so.
It's too late now.
Hey, we still gonna eat them. They ain't burnt. See? Did a good job. You didn't even get the spoon. The brown spoon. Wash that off. You got it good? Okay, so Scooby wanted me to show you guys what the cookies look like. So he's gonna taste test them. Now you need to pull them all off the thing. Huh? You don't know about it.
Oh.
That's them, because I already loosened them up. I loosened them 6 up. Now you gotta use the other ones up. I know. Next time I have to take them out when they still look raw, I guess. We're gonna try it again. It still came out good though. But we just put in the microwave a little bit before we eat them. Scooby was in the mood to do a video for y'all today. So y'all thumbs this video up for Scooby. He actually asked for me to record him, y'all. Oh, you got to pile up nicely on a little old plate. Oh, you getting them up there. And what we going to do with them cookies up there? We got to find a bowl before they can fit in with a top on it. So that's what the cookies look like. Okay. Go Scooby. That's 24 cookies. Actually, probably, how many you ate, Scooby? How many cookies you already ate? No, we need one with a top on it, so... Yeah, like a plastic one. They got a lid on it. Or something. It was 24, y'all. I ate 2. Scooby, you ate 2 or you ate 3? Yeah, that one will work right there.
I think I ate 3.
You ate 3? Okay. Bless you. Okay. Make sure that ain't got dust in it or nothing.
No, it don't.
Nice. Rinse that out, and then you're gonna need a napkin to dry it out to get the water out. Okay, I'm gonna back up so y'all can see how tall this boy done got. Y'all remember I used to pick him up in my What you doing?
Wait a minute.
What? Hey, it didn't fall on the floor. Did you dry the bowl out? Did you dry the water out? Okay. Is it gonna fit?
It'll fit if you believe.
If I believe. I don't know. I believe that top kind of flat that good. We might have to put some aluminum foil on it. Wait, don't squish it. Okay, we just put some aluminum foil on it. How about that? No? Okay, how about put like 4 cookies in that plate? No, how about put 4 cookies in the plate next to it? And then we'll put aluminum foil on the plate. And then we'll put the top on the cookie. If it'll fit. It'll fit now? No? Make sure they flat in there. Don't squish them. Well, put that one in the plate too. Put it in the plate too. Scooby, you done broke it. I heard it crack.
No, it didn't crack.
Take one out. Okay, let's see what that do.
Okay, now these cookies should. You grab out the floor. Wait.
That's good. Don't squish it too hard. Okay, there we go. That worked? All right, so There we go. Now you gotta taste them and tell everybody what they taste like. Look, turn this way so they can see you. Turn this way. They want to hear you crunch your old crunchy cookie.
Crunchy cookie.
It's a crunchy cookie. It's not. Oh, it's soft.
No, it's not soft. Well, it's not soft because we ain't put up the wrapper.
Well, how it taste though?
That's good. You gotta do. You gotta take it out next time.
What that's gonna do? No, you can't just cook it in the pan. It's gonna stick to the pan. That's what that paper is, a cookie sheet.
Listen, we're gonna take that out, get some napkins, put it on the thing, and just set it right there. Look, you know what? I don't care.
So you tell everybody how they taste.
That tastes good. It's just hard.
It's just hard. So what if you put them in the microwave? Come try one in the microwave. Let's put one in the microwave so they can see.
Put one in the microwave.
Let's see if it gets soft.
Extra plates.
I know. Take those out of that plate and put them on top for a minute while you put the other one in the microwave. Put two in the microwave, then I eat one. Yeah, then I'm gonna eat one. You put them in the microwave and we'll be back. My braces? They are, yeah. They good. Just I don't know, maybe I should take the cookie dough out next time. They're not hard, see? I can still... We just need to learn when to take them out the oven. Next time we'll do 8 minutes and see what happens. Yeah. Okay. We'll try it again, y'all. See if we can get some nice soft... It didn't promise, the bag didn't say it was going to be soft and gooey. Now let's see what these look like. Huh? They soft? Oh, Lord. Really, Scooby done left the cookie in the microwave too long and then burnt the cookie.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it smells burnt. I can smell it. It's he burnt up the cookie. Dang. Man. Y'all see, he done.
Man, forget that burnt piece. Oh.
Okay, what about this one?
Oh, it's still hard. You know what?
This one look like it tastes good. Come here. Ain't nobody on the camera. You got to get back on camera. Then you burnt that other one now. You walking away. You moving too much. You got to sit still. You put in the microwave, walked away 2 times. Tell everybody how it tastes. Taste it. I ain't finished cutting it to y'all. I got to blend that side. He didn't want to sit still for me to blend the rest of the haircut.
It's good, but it's hot.
It's good, but it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta soften it up.
Wait, what? So it need to be soft.
Yeah.
Do it taste better in the microwave or not?
You know, when it's first out of the oven, it tastes good. Like, when it get hard.
It's not good when it's hard. Okay. Well, so that means you ain't gonna eat them and I can have them. Yeah. All of them? Yeah, I'm gonna have all of them. Eat all 24.
You gonna eat all of them?
You won't stay on camera. Come tell everybody bye in the video. And I finally got to say it in this video.
Y'all later. Bye.